Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
This Sankirtan is all glorious. That is the blessings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Parang Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtan. This is his blessing. Simply by Sankirtan in this age, it is confirmed in the Vedic literature, in Vedanta Sutra, Sabdad Anavritti, liberation. Our present position is bondage. We are bound up by the laws of nature. We may foolishly declare independence, that is our foolishness, but actually we are bound up by the laws of nature. Prakita kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasam ahankar. We are bound up by the laws of nature, but those are fools, vimuraka, under false prestige. Such person thinks that he is independent. No. So, this is misunderstanding. So, this misunderstanding has to be clean. That is the aim of life. Therefore, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommends that if you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then the first installment of benefit is Cheta Darpana Marjanam. Because misunderstanding means within the heart. If the heart is clear, consciousness is clear, then there is no misunderstanding. This consciousness has to be clean. And that is the first installment of the result of chanting Hare Krishna. Kirtanadeva Krishnasya Mukta Sangha Param Bhajan. Simply by chanting Krishna's holy name of Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, the same thing. Rama and Krishna, there is no difference. Rama Vimurti Sukalani Avena Krishna. So, we require, the present position is misunderstanding, that I am product of this material nature, I am this body, I am Indian, I am American, I am Brahman, I am Kshatriya, and so on, so many designations. But we are none of it. This is clear. Chetadar. When you understand clearly that I am not an Indian, I am not an American, I am not Brahmin, I am not Kshatriya, means I am not this body. Then the consciousness is Aham Brahmasmi, Brahma Bhuta Prasanna, Na Sotati Nama. This is what. This is success of that.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,